Rio, Las Vegas, Nevada, Ipanema Tower, room 1219, king suite with a strip view. These are the newly remodeled Ipanema Tower from Rio. Okay, so you walk in, got TV, floor to ceiling windows, TV, you got a nice little couch area, entertainment. Then you have a back there, you have a nice little sitting area to eat lunch, sitting area with another window, then king bed, 2 side tables. It's a big room. They're always big, but they remodeled it well. And there's a large bathroom back there. Here you have the refrigerator, ice bucket, cabinet. We'll take a look at the bathroom at the end. But big room. That's why I like it out here. So here's the view. In this room you got, starting with the Wynn, Trump Tower, Encore, Treasure Island, Harrah's, Caesar's Palace, backside of Caesar's Palace, that's where we are. And there's Rio's other tower. And there's the rest of the strip down there. New York, etc. So this is the first window. Here's the second window. There's the pool area for the Rio. So benefits, pluses are large rooms, large entertainment area on these king suites. They're very quite nice, newly remodeled. So come in here, you got sink, a closet, and sink area, another sink. And then I think they took the tubs out. There's the toilet, and they put in just a walk-in shower now. So there's no more tubs. They put into walk-ins. That's quite nice with this new design. So this is quite an improvement from the old Rio. It's been updated. They did a good job. I think they did a great job. So there's that. And then there is one more storage with the safe there as well in this corner with the Rio poster. So it's a lot of room, a lot of square footage here. That's the benefit of the Rio. So you come out and you got, boom, got your living space, sitting area, entertainment area, and you come back around and then there's the door. All right, Rio, Las Vegas, King Suite. That is all.